so that it will be finer and easier to remove, while the gold will be left behind.
The gold is carefully collected in a small piece of plastic.
Next step is that you take your heavy mineral concentrate with lots of gold, put it in a small piece of plastic, add about the same amount of borax,
Now it is time to prepare for the cooking of the gold.
The cooking takes place exactly as in the mercury method, in a clay bowl, but here you sprinkle the clay bowl with borax.
This is to put grease into it and to prevent, if ever, it from cracking. If it does, the borax will hold the gold and it will not get lost. We do it this way. First, you put this pipe on. I will use this to control the air. The gold might be blown from the sides of the clay and it will be scattered around.
You can also use a blowtorch to cook the mixture of borax and gold.
Now I put borax, just the same.
After heating the clay bowl, simply add borax.
Now I need to add charcoal to increase the heat.
Within a short while, the borax will melt in the clay bowl.
It's just to check the efficiency of the clay, if it will crack. And now I will put in the gold.
The process will only take around 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the amount of gold. And there it is, pure gold, without the use of mercury. Mercury makes you and your family sick for generations, and mercury destroys the nature.